Welcome to Bowling Green, Kentucky, your home for business development. South Central Kentucky is centrally located, with Bowling Green as the epicenter of a 34-state distribution area and is an I-65 intersect region from Indianapolis to Nashville. On the ground, Bowling Green and South Central Kentucky are a vital link in the CSX rail system, along with intermodal connections to 7 major North American railroads via the R.J. Corman Railroad. The Warren County Regional Airport provides commuter and private jet service to South Central Kentucky, with easy in and out access for your business travel needs. For your logistical requirements, we're located just a few hours from the Nashville International Airport and the UPS Worldwide Hub in Louisville. Bowling Green is the ideal location for domestic and international shipping. Bowling Green means business.